Welcome to this course on Unity mesh creation, where you will learn to procedurally generate meshes from geometric objects to worlds with randomly generated terrain. I'm Jenny. I'm a freelance game programmer working primarily with Unity. I have a PhD in physics and over 4 years professional programming experience. By the end of this course, you'll understand meshes and be able to create textured shapes, terrain, and landscapes, all from code. I'll start with an analysis of meshes, describing each aspect before moving on to simple geometric shapes, UVs, normals, tangents, and vertex colours. Once these are understood, I'll explain Perlin and fractal noise, and use it to procedurally generate some interesting landscapes, including islands and low-poly terrain. Anyone wanting to take this course should already be familiar with Unity and be able to understand C#. It's most suited to people with an intermediate existing knowledge or to a more advanced beginner who is willing to work hard. No existing knowledge of procedural mesh generation is required. If this sounds good, enroll now and start learning.